Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. I'm finna show y'all how I made these adorable outfits for these beautiful twins and their family. So y'all know I like to get right into it, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification button to be notified when your girl posts. Y'all, I do a bunch of DIYs, bunch of custom pieces and all that good stuff. So this is my first time using the Cricut. My brother lent me his, and oh my god, I am so thankful, so grateful. Like, for real. So it's super easy to use. I watched a couple videos, taught myself, of course. So y'all, I'm just cutting out her name right now. Okay, so before we place everything on the shirt, we're gonna go in with the lint roller and press it and knock all the wrinkles out, so we can get a more smoother surface. Y'all ordered this shirt. I thought it was so cute. There is a certain wax paper that you're supposed to use, I believe, but I didn't have the wax paper, so I used a baking sheet and it worked just as fine. So we're just gonna go ahead and press everything down. You want to make sure you get all areas that need to be pressed, and we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the back, so that we can make sure that everything is put together. So after that, you're gonna peel it, and sometimes some parts are not all the way down, so I just go over it again like so. Oh my god, and y'all just don't know how bad I've been wanting to do kid clothing, like, and I'm so happy and so grateful that I got this opportunity. So now y'all, we're gonna go in and press the name. Before I applied the next set of letters, I went in with a ruler so we can make sure we got them straight across, because we don't want nothing, Cricut, we want it straight, looking good, okay? So also, I used this extra piece of plastic to put on the J, so I didn't, go over it again with the press, because you don't want to press over again because it will mess it up, so be careful with that. So while we do that, y'all, I just want to let y'all know I got so many custom pieces that y'all have not seen yet, and I can't wait till y'all to see them, because my clients be coming through with that shit, y'all. But let's get into the onesie. So I am using this onesie as a template, and I am using my rotary cutter. I finally found out what it's called. I think that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we just gotta go ahead and trace the outline and make sure you leave yourself some seam allowance. And we're gonna do the flip method, flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. And of course, we're gonna do the same thing to the front. And this is what you should have, what it should look like. This is the back, this is the front. So I'm gonna cut that out. So y'all, I did make this a little too big, so I did cut some of it out in the inside part. And what I'm doing right here is hemming up the part that we're going to place the buttons on. I also went ahead and connect the panels together. I did the sleeves and also the collar part. So for the collar, I am going to sew around 3 edges, and we're going to cut out the little pieces at the side so we can get that pointy collar effect. And we're going to go ahead and sew the panels together. So y'all, this weekend I am going to a masquerade party, and this is my first one. So I decided to make me a little gown. It was simple, but it's cute and stylish. So that video will be actually up next Wednesday. So this is what it should look like, and then we're gonna go ahead and work on the sleeves. We're gonna hem up the bottom piece like so. So now we're going to fold it right sides together and sew across. Y'all, so now we're going to hem up the bottom of the shorts. Y'all, I found out you're supposed to fold it twice, and it gives it a really nice clean look when you finish. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now, all the way across. So y'all, I kind of pinned everything together already. So basically now all I am doing is attaching everything, and I am going to let you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I got you. Now that we have everything together, I am going to apply these snap buttons, y'all. I never did buttons and it's super easy. So y'all, I have a hole puncher, and with the hole puncher you have to, put a little pressure on it. So I thought you had to do the same with this. So I am really over exaggerating. You don't have to do it this hard. I just thought I did. So that was super funny. So now it's time to apply the vinyl to the fits. So I'm just basically doing the same thing I did in the beginning of the video with the little girl outfit. The same thing I'm doing with this. And y'all, this green and this green looks so good together. Oh my god. So I did the same thing to the front, and with the tutu I did not get into detail, but this is because this was my first time and I wanted to focus, but this is how it came out. Super cute. And y'all, I did a little photo shoot for them, so I'm going to show you guys the picture. These are the family shirts that went with it. Super cute. Oh my god, they look so good. So y'all, look at it. Oh my god. So excited. Make sure y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think about the outfits. They are so freaking adorable. Just look at them. Oh, he's walking but she's not. Oh, but I hope y'all like this video. Let me know what y'all think. And they had a little snack break, y'all. They needed a milk break. It was so funny shooting this photo shoot. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys oh so much. This is my favorite video. Bye.